Alano B, the billionaire, one of the biggest brands in Africa. And let me be honest to you guys. Today, this is the first time I'm seeing a big event in part of the interior parts of Western Kenya, where they're talking about agriculture, they're talking about exports, and I'm here just to look at the avocados. So I don't know how old these avocados are. There's a time I bought a stem, and I'm expecting that stem by the end of the year I should be getting something. So the thing is, if you look at these avocados, I think they have started fruiting. Some of them have fruits. So let me go and show you. And I've done avocados before. If you go into my YouTube channel, I've done avocados before, and this I did it in Karakuta from lady. Her name is Grace, and Grace explains a lot, and she has a lot of information on has avocados and fuete. So if you don't know fuete are the local avocados. Then the has are these short ones that they don't overgrow, they don't grow. The height is not that long, so they grow at a particular height, and from that height they start producing fruits. So you can look at this. This is an example, and if you look at this example, this is a very small avocado, and it's already fruiting. And if you look through, this person has integrated another crop, and this crop is nduma. So look at this. So it's already fruiting. So as a farmer who has been doing sugarcane, there are things that I'm looking, so that in future I have to get different products into my field, because there are places where now, maybe when I start buying my pieces of land, I need to get these plants. I'm figuring out, because I'm a long-term thinker, so I have to think long-term in terms of production. So if I'm a long-term thinker, I need to know where I'm going to invest. I need to know where I'm going to make money, because at the end goal is to make big money. And you can see the spacing, it's quite big. There are a lot of people there. The spacing is quite big, and it's not that big field. It's a very small field, but you see, this is what I'm talking about. So, and I think this is a new farmer in Western Kenya. So this one encourages us as young farmers, or the people from Western Kenya, that we can also do this kind of farming, because one of the things that has always been the biggest challenge when it comes to Western Kenya, we are good producers of farm products, the agriculture, but we miss the market. So when we miss the market, it means we are not going to make money. So our fight, for me, feel like it's always good to fight to know where we are going to get our products to the market. And if you see somebody like this, if he pulls a big portion of people who can engage in farming, I'm pretty sure a lot of people will follow. And once they start following this means we are going to have more avocado farmers also across this region. And that means even the buyers will now have the capacity to come and buy, because you can't have only 2 farmers doing avocado, then you want somebody from Nairobi, or maybe you want to export them, and you don't have a big market for your product. So those are some of the things that I feel like I'm learning. Oh, and you can see this is pest control. It has a glue, and you can see pests are here. Okay, this is new technology. Look, it's now instead of using chemicals, they're using that to trap the pests. That thing has glue, so it's sticky, And some of the things you get to learn. These are some of the things you get to learn. There's no apiary here. So if there's no apiary, that means I don't know if they plan to do apiary here, but I don't think so. I can see we have not sweet potatoes, we have just potatoes. But I'm here to give you information, guys. This is one of the biggest things we get to learn when you visit this region. I don't know why this is turning black compared to the rest of the avocados. So you guys follow my YouTube channel, Alano Be The Billionaire, the big brand. As always, peace, bye.